Happy New Year to you guys. I want puppy than for you see this video, that means say I watch Coloring Book TV. You understand? So big up on yourself. You understand? I wish everybody a happy belated Merry Christmas. So people, as you can see, it's a new year, new movie, new production. Whole heap of things are going. You see me? So they are back in Jamaica, people ready to take on your work again. So just want to watch your movie at the end. The movie is called Sneaking Stepmother. You understand? So I just want to big up our fans when named Samantha. Big up yourself, Samantha, from out of St. Thomas. Go on, all them. My condolence to your family, we pass it. Big up yourself, go on, all them. God is the greatest, you see me? And people want to go over lights, camera, blare. You understand when I ask them, normally I could do name Jessica. You just go check out her page, subscribe, tell a friend, they know say a puppy dancing. So people, watch the movie to the end, you understand, and tell you if you don't like it or not. Tired? You tired?
I'm sorry.
Alright. So baby cute. Alright, you soon reach here?
Okay.
Alright, mommy, I take care of you up the man. Alright, come on. Man. Watch out.
Where are you, lady?
I'm there, my father, man. Blessing.
Pick up yourself.
Look
on.
Pick up yourself.
You're power daddy today.
Ali, you remember him? Puppy Dan? Daddy friend? Oh, he's smart, you know. I want to think he's smart. So I pray.
I'm there. Happy New Year, my father.
Yeah, man. Happy belated Christmas and Happy New Year. Wish me none. If New Year happy, but long as we have life, we have to make it happy.
True.
You see me?
Wi-Fi great.
But me there still, you know, say, and my daughter, me go pick up, because my mother come drop him off. You see me?
Mother come drop him off. So now my mother normally bill back.
What my mother?
Yeah.
Boy.
Where your mother?
Boy, everybody just busy. Christmas, New Year, me never get to show you what I want, bro. I tell you. But to tell you honest truth, I stress out, but show me head big and something dog, I can't hold stress and problem. Bro, mother sick out, you know.
Allah ya tell.
Watch on, man. Right now.
That's your real mother will birth you.
Real mother. You see me?
That's Ali grandmother.
Yeah, call Ali stress out. That's why I have to call Ali mother and tell him, say, yo, watch on, come keep your child for a while, dog. Because I run around with my mother back and forth, hospital, everywhere, dog. So right now, just because I have to run up and down and I have to take care of my daughter, and plus I have my woman up there also. You see me, bro? So I have to just, my mother, sister, them just take him for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. You see me? To see if him can feel better up, they can change the energy, change the climate. I stress out, dog. I must say my mother love my daughter, you know.
Then I don't know now
My daughter loving grandmother, you know, bro.
Yeah, tell me, I can't believe right now. So yeah, so to you kind of a little bit serious up on your sister, I'm gone.
Yeah, dog. You're weak. So I have to just call him and check on him.
So that means that you have to respond to your daughter fully now, like have her over your yard fully now.
I can't tell you honest truth. Right now, my woman and my yard, I need to tell him because it happen sudden. Because remember, you know, Ali and mother, you know, out the line she live with the man, you know. You see me? And he send money come when him can take her upon holiday and take her upon holiday, when him can take her upon weekend because she at work. And although she dey far from her daughter, to be honest, he take care of her daughter and play the role.
Right, but right now you're going to have the rough broke. I must have made it been a reason you tell me, say, yo, the little thing when you deal up your yard, I try to duck up where you can take your daughter and then see just come up where you have her now.
Because I remember say, me if you make a jump over there, you know, go overseas, you know. But just show me, I say, I can't go spend on 500,000 on vacation go overseas and I can't use it. So show me, I think about for my daughter. You see me? So I build on 2 rooms up a yard, one for my daughter and one with mommy can come when she get better because she'll get better. Because I must have one room up there.
Yeah, I there so right now, so I really go on.
But yo, watch on man, I go raise with my woman you know dog and you know. Cause
Bro.
me say me tell her what I go on,
Just
but
go on,
a
Wally, you
good
see me?
woman, so me not think she have a mind still.
Nah,
You
man,
see
your
me?
woman good, man. Your woman not good, man.
You know, give me friend, give your friend, tell me your friend say I go. Yeah, man.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Alright. Merry
Alright,
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New
too.
Year.
Happy New Year.
Alright. Big
alright,
up
go on,
yourself. You
baby.
hear? Yo, coloring book.
Yo,
That is
bless
the
up, man. Hear that?
greatest.
Me a reason,
I'm
man.
about
Let's
to
go calm
punch
down
you,
my
man.
brain. You see me? Bad. Come, me,
My
baby.
prayers, you see me?
You tired, baby? Alright, come on. Come on, now. Where your mother feed up and up there, you know? Babes. What was it called, baby? Go and go say hi.
I'm coming.
How you getting your feet?
Ah. Boy, babes, I'm tired. Tired.
So I got no your mother.
Boy, tell you the truth. Mommy not feel better, you know.
No feel better.
She not feel better. You know, realize all the 10 pound of belly we me have gone down to 5. She not feel better. And to be honest, Alia, um, Alia, Ali, um, it's not a regular visit.
What do you mean by
Please, let me talk to you outside.
outside?
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
me
we
I
still
come.
come
Me I
here.
come here. You know, there forward here. Yeah. You have your phone? Alright.
Hello.
1 second, yeah, baby. Yeah.
So, I was so important. We have to come out the door.
Alright, babes. You are going, you know. You know some of me sick, right? But maybe I'm not pretty sick. It's that bad. Mommy sick. Doctor. Wish you know.
Bad.
Nah, get better. Nah, get better. Worse to get. Remember say, I'm a mother keep my daughter, you know.
Yeah, me know that.
And my mother keep him because mother they up the line live with him man. Him mother work and send money and spend holiday
He no
with him
fire mother. He
daughter.
no fire mother.
So anyhow, my mother can't keep her. My mother work. Cause my mother gone and his sister go see if he can get a better energy, different climate where he can feel better. You see me?
So,
So the point of me I try to say, you know, we're not going to babes.
your mother gone. I will keep Ali.
Well, like that I want to talk to you about now. You understand? Ali have to go stay with us till mommy get better.
Oh.
You understand what I say?
Yeah, me understand, man.
If
Yeah,
you
man.
notice, the bathroom and the room, where me I put on around so, it come like me just pray so all of them things that go happen. That's why I put on the room. So, me never ask you. Because everything happens sudden. So I say to you now, which me know you're not going to mind because I know you love
No,
her.
man. I look at that and come like a female look at that. Say,
Babes,
man, she good, man. She
me
can
glad
stay,
you
man.
understand. So what me I go say now, want me two queen them. They sleep on the bed and me sleep in the settee. Me two queen them sleep on the bed, me sleep on the settee.
So you go there and sit and me and she there in her bed.
So me can't put you on her on the floor and me there in her bed, babes. How that?
I never say I go
Me
put
have
me know you
man.
not go do that, you know, but suppose sometime, you know.
You remember say she will go to school, you know. And she will go to Sunday school at a church. So you know when sometime, you know, we just deal with
Yeah,
that.
man.
You know. I just look at changes I go make.
Yeah, man, no,
You
man, your
understand?
daughter, man, I feel me daughter too, so everything good.
So in Ghana school by 8 o'clock. So by in Ghana school by 1 minute past 8, I'm here I do it. You understand? If you want with incoming 3 o'clock, 5 minutes to 3, we can bust on quickie. So that alright with you?
Yeah, man, you good, man.
Alright.
And as me say, me nah no problem, you know.
Alright, just thank you, baby, because you know me know you want to understand. You see me? Because you know I'm a queen and you're my queen. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Alright. I'm going to go inside and see if she alright here.
Can't send little girl up by mother.
Babes, what you say we are going to eat, baby?
I don't want nothing to eat.
What you mean I don't want nothing to eat, baby? You know, so from I go up on the road and come back, you dey give me one bad vibes. How what happened all of a sudden?
You ask me what happened, you don't know what happened.
What happened?
I can't take for your style, brother. Every time I go up on the road, sometimes I not even go nowhere. I sit down on my yard, my phone ring, somebody have sitting to say about you. Same dirty style you have up. One bag of woman all over the place. And your baby mother, well close. From what they may notice, you like say, in some kind of entanglement.
B, but me tell you already, me change. Back then when me used to get body, it not happen again, New year, new me.
You change? No, year change. But I see him all chuck.
B, are you one me have right now? Me no want nobody, me no meds nobody else but you. 2026, me plan to change my life and I hit me do. Me settle down here now.
Who settle down? Nothing about you can settle down. You're all over the place like a rolling stone.
B,
And
come
me I
on.
look on and tell me that you can't trust nothing or believe nothing what you say. Me believe you 1,000 billion times. And I see him all you. Every time.
B, come on, that make people already tell her things about me. You know, go so. Seeing is believing.
If you not go so near, so my grandmother tell me that.
You call on your grandmother go to pass and gone. Them they are all time story back in the days. At 2026 now.
I don't want you tell me nothing about no granny dead all long now. I don't want to hear nothing about no old time story. Me tired of your foolishness. Every time I see him thing you do. And as me forgive you for sitting, you do sitting again. So me have to forgive you every time if you redo what you do all the time.
B, but you see it me change. And you know, cause back then when me used to give money, you used to know. When last you see me go out?
You used to know, boy, me no know all of them. That my granny that tell me. Say, I mean, I stay if you find out, You know what me I go do? Me I go check somebody where me think understand my frustration. Me I go link my friend around here. Cause you say you, me not sit down here say with you no long talking with you no, cause nothing what you say, it never add up.
Boy, Father God, me understand say me wrong, Cause me used to treat her away. But she just feel if you understand and know say me change. All me I tell her say me change, she just feel.
That's why I mean, I like lend people all my rake, Look on the rake, come lend Marlene. Marlene mash up a damn rake.
How you do cuss with the wreck? How you cuss with yourself?
TB,
How do you, bro?
you start drink back and now, you take up back drinking.
You don't say I don't really take up your back. I just because I'm stressed, bro.
Watch, man. A new year and now, bro. What kind of stress?
New Year start me off with stress. Let me cut long story short and tell you what I'm going. Cause you know, I you me have a reason with when me stress or when me I go through my depression or no, bro. You know, so me drop me baby mother 1 year ago, not true?
Yeah, me know. So you say, so I saw you said, though, me no know.
And the girl named Keisha, when me take from you.
Watch, man. Listen, man. Them their whole story. Nobody go back to this, so. You take Keisha from me a new year, me no want to hear about that. That's right, that.
No, but I saw it start. So me stress start.
Just take Keisha name out there. Just start, but not put Keisha
Alright,
name
you see
night.
Keisha when me take from you.
Talk.
Yeah, Keisha me take from you. Me drop that long time ago. You know that, not true?
So you say, yeah.
I see my woman when me there with now, her name Chelsea. You know, say she still think, say, yo, me still have a dirty same style them from way back then. Last 2 years ago and last year ago. I thought about me at her and this and... Look for me, puppy. You know feel some change?
But TB, you did a whore, you did a gal whore.
That I did.
So you change for real, like you change for real.
Puppy, how long now me apart?
A long time we apart, bro. Long time and from the time we apart, you always a gal whore. So you say you change and now, me no know, Cause you see some, me no analyze, me see you with no woman since recently, so you look like you change.
No, you see me, because me have my woman live with over me.
Right, but I say me no see no new girl since lately.
Puppy, come here. You know I say me did bad one time and me I did whore, right?
Yeah, man.
When me also knock Melissa, Anissa, Kellisa, Monisa,
And Renisha.
And Rennie. You remember them days?
Remember the one the man Renisha that I want when one of teeth then did missing.
You know, say this year.
No man, this me just a remind about her man.
Why you have to remind me about that one when teeth missing?
Shh. Me I listen here now.
Alright. My woman feel fi understand say, bro, me know say she not agree or accept say me change bro cause she catch me with whole heap of woman puppy. You
True.
know that too, bro.
That a true. That a true. Facts.
Whole heap of woman and she still give me a chance, bro, but she feel fi understand say me change, bro. And then at that time me dey drink, bro, cause she feel.
TB, to tell you the truth, I understand your point where you try to say, but at the same time, when you listen to me, I say, cause me know what you say, me I pick up for you or me I pick up for she. Me just try to balance the story where you can get what me I say. Your woman have a point, you know, because it's true, back in the days, you normally deal with her dirty, treat pan her, you see me, she hear a whole heap of things out the road, woman a laugh off for her, you see me, so it's like, she give a whole heap of chance as what you say. And then you still blow them the chance there and hurt her again. You see me? So you say, no, when you tell her say you change now, it's like she not believe. But she have to just watch you and see if you real. Because by an idea, if she not see you, know, if she not see you make no change, you know, talking alone can't do it, you know. You have to prove it, say, yo, babes, me change. Like that, I tell her, babes, me change. So she can look upon herself and say, you know, say, to be changed with you. But hold on there. Why your woman when they say you cheat? Me not understand. Why?
Puppy, let me tell you the truth. You see YouTube thing there and the TikTok thing there. To me I see other girls pan here, me a comment and me a like and me. All the YouTube thing I regular me subscribe to some nice video, you know, over there, you know, and you know when the notification them a come in, them a go ping, 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 ping like a ping pong.
Yeah.
So she feels that other girl a text me, bro. She feels that one bag of girl a text on my phone. All me I try explain to her. Say a notification.
Oh, so it's like she shouldn't really understand about the TikTok and YouTube thing, so that cause the whole
She
problem.
serious think of WhatsApp message, bro.
Why? To me, you have to just have respect to her then if that type problem.
Puppy, and one next thing too. You know so what do me tell her say me go buy her iPhone. She a go look for me but she no want an extra eye.
What, man?
That bitch man I laugh, brother.
That means that you really don't know about the
Technology,
gadget.
bro.
Yeah, you don't
she
really know about the new gadgets that might come out and the TikTok business there.
Bro, top laugh now, brother.
Yo, we get where you try to say, bro. But watch on, man. Just do it right, man. I hope one day she understand and she say, yo, yeah, that change you. Because as me say, me now see her no new girlfriend other day, so like a change. You see
She
me?
make me feel going back to rum. When me put on too much years
If
now.
you dash you, the rum thing there, you and a friend. I'm not tough. I'm dash you here. Me dash you here. Just go and go fix things there, man. You see
Alright,
me?
no sorry. That's sure, bro.
Yeah, man.
Me done that. Cut out that.
Yeah, man. Cut.
Me no want no more rum for drink. That's sure that, bro.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Whoa. One that's strong.
Aliyah.
Oi,
Aliyah.
why pray?
Morning. What happened?
Me there ain't no best thing.
Me want to come chat to your boss. It me can come.
Yeah, man, come and come sit
What you
down.
there
Me
do?
need to chat to you about sitting too.
What you do?
Sit down, you say no, where you go so far, sir? Sit down here, sir, girl.
Girl, right now I'm stressed out. I mix up from and him in a no good mood.
Think of you. Pick it up well good this morning. I know me vex.
You want to be him this morning, get up and tell him about finding Garwood and come back. You know, like how me a go on. Girl, me don't know what to say about him. Me don't know if me get tired of him or me say I see him all TB. I can't tell him about the ear change and I knew him. As me get up this morning, me get one phone call on my phone. Somebody a go tell me say they see him on road with woman. Turn up a chat with girl. After him I tell me say me in a nobody in my life, you know. And me a woman. And all him baby mother, I notice him I get text on his phone. Him a get phone call how much o'clock at night. And he sit down on phone till 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. And I feel like some if you just put up with him dirty style him I have.
What
We
do I
get
hear?
tired of him behavior, you know.
So Tibi not change. Me not think Tibi change and yeah, Tibi good.
In claims and shape, me not see that they change there.
Well,
Me sure, I mean I look for see it, you know. Me not look.
right now, me I still fit talk to you too. But right now, me they are stressed out. So for me man now, Y'all confused me about baby father now. Baby man, no can that over here this morning, but in that stay over here. All of a sudden, mother sick.
What do you mean all of a sudden, Alia?
Me know say mother sick in about. A little girl I go hang bong me, man. I know say me no want her over here, no, but when time me can't go hug up my man and sleep, no, cause my man I go sleep and city, and me and daughter sleep.
Well, I news
When me
flash.
use,
I'm a little girl, you know.
you not understand what me I say. Seeing care little girl come here, me know me have to go take care of my daytime. And I say me no want take care of her, but me no want no pitney for a warm done right now. See, my come tell me boy want to give that I want little brother. Me tell him play that straight, me not ready for that. Me not set myself want build my life first.
So, hold on, wait. So, that affect you so bad?
I cheerleading, you know. Me no know when I can't pick no girl can walkless mama when you have up so. And she just want cock up so and cock up with man. Actually, she don't know me not like her and I want nyanny up her face. Cause she come here how much time and come and long up face and screw through me at take her man.
But, Alia, you not like it, woman. The pit not do you nothing.
Chelsea, you not understand what me I say. Me never say me hate the little girl. But the little girl I go hang bong me. Right now, my money when me used to get it for 120,000 and me used to get that for go split now me if I get 40 or 50. Cause that you know that I go want more support. And that I go want whole heap of attention. When time me forget my service at night time, me have to hear so me have to go do quickie at the end.
Hey!
Them is something them man. Them is something that irritate me.
Story come to bump, so wait. Hold on, let me ask you a question. And I like it, Pitney always live over here. Sick enough in nobody special.
And understand me I say.
Me understand what you say, Alia.
You look a workless woman when have as a baby mother still up me cock up with 2, 3, 4, 5 man and how much man she want have up there take. Why she not sit down with her Pitney?
So how you know that? Oh. You have so much information about the people there.
Know yourself.
Just one look what you can do. No, the good way you do will follow you. The good that you do will follow you.
Alright, the good way you do with TV, sit down with him over there, we follow you back.
Yeah, that me I go do. No, that me I go do. In claim saying change, you know. But me not see that they change there come no time soon. So guess what happen? A relationship the right here so and the ship is on the sea sailing.
Good for you and your sea and ship, you know. Right now, Bex how she can cock up there and for her own space and me don't have to take care of Pitney. And if I go to the hospital, push her out, you know. As she go push her out, as she supposed to come for her Pitney. Alright. My boyfriend mother sick. She not look into it and say, no, some boyfriend mother sick. I don't know, me have my daughter, take my daughter for what. In that. Ali, you can come here 1 or 2 nights, you know, I have no problem with that. But for come here, come live at Jesus, please.
Hey! Boy, you can't put up no foot and make no nice. You will learn how to deal with that. Anyway, I just come over and say I can chat to you a little bit. I go about my business.
Ali, I'm not good somebody enough to say you're my best friend.
What a good somebody? Move yourself from your song. When I come over here, I can sit down about that chat to you about my business. You can tell me about hilltop, down a full down a hill bottom. You have to find where to work out your business. You have to deal with my business. You have to deal with fear.
No worry yourself.
You can't deal with your business.
I will be hungry. I may go talk to my boyfriend because I work with mama the way you have to come for pick me.
You must know if you work this or not. I'm not there about that. I come over, I come out and I'm gone. Have a good day, Alia.
Have you work with baby mother sitting up this and me don't have to take care. I try to send him a daycare right here. I'm ready for no pitney. No pitney now hold me down. Hello. May I get permission to use my phone? So what you have my phone to do? No pit enough you have my phone. Give me this. Take up a book for a morning. So how come you're in a phone? Why don't you take up a book? I asked that, I said go take up a book, go read one book. You think you're turning your turn now down school so open back?
Mommy, I'm hungry.
What me just tell you to go do? Me tell you to go and take up a book. When your father come, you tell him say you're hungry. One of us to go take up a book and read it. Come on, come, mommy. Yeah, me, your mother, not call me no mommy.
Babes, the little princess.
Yes, Daddy.
Hey.
Daddy, I'm hungry.
Yes, baby.
I'm hungry.
Where is Alia?
He went around the front.
Come here. When you say you're hungry, you hear the worm them. So hold on there. Alia no look about nothing here, baby.
Daddy.
So why she no look about nothing here? You never tell her say you're hungry.
Yes, Daddy.
So she no look about nothing here.
No, Daddy. She said when you come, I should tell you that I'm hungry.
What? Did she say that?
Yes, Daddy.
That's rude. Alright. Daddy, forward 1 second here.
Okay, Daddy.
Me a hug. Just 1 second, me a forward. Yeah, baby?
Okay.
Yeah. Love you.
Love you too, Dada.
Alia! Be. Alia. You know, unfinished house.
What going?
What happened?
Yeah, man.
You alright?
Not really about my good.
Me just forward in the house and me a call my baby and my little princess. But I realize you're around here, so my little princess I tell me say you're gone outside.
Yeah, oh, that's kind of cool. My house hot,
It's
man.
really cool with you. But anyway, she said she hungry. Ali said she hungry, you know about one girl. Everything in her house.
Yeah, no, you know, so what she want, no, there in there. And then, you see, through my belly, my farmer, I don't know what. It come like a soup for me time.
Your sister come and check you?
Look, I can check it, I can't check me, you know. And I couldn't get for walk or shop, go buy what she want. So I said, alright, just wait till I
So what she say she want?
So she want macaroni and cheese and franks.
So none of that no inside of the fridge or it's safe or nothing?
Me they use the last one other day. None of it no in there. And then she said, if me can go buy fear, me I said, no baby, my belly a hot, me man. So me tell her to just bear with me a little bit and wait till I come and she said, alright.
Babe, the stress out?
No man, no stress
Come here,
man.
so your sister check you so often. And on her time it.
Me know, you know. Me I say too.
You have to take a check up a doctor, you know. Your sister not supposed to come check you so often.
I
Can
know,
I
she
time
probably
it?
I heap a heavy weight to me, I carry drug them other day too.
Me tell her to stop carry jug them, you know.
Probably
And that me tell her, you know, listen, you know. You just not listen. Stop carry jug them.
Oh, if you're not there, what me fi do?
Carry look a bit. If you are going to make 10 chip, when you carry 1. Carry 20 when you carry half. Anyway, me have to go check back Ali, because she well hungry.
Yeah,
Because me I say, why you have things that you don't look about nothing give that little girl?
well, she said, when she over her grandmother yard, I wish anything she wants, she get and say, by right, she a pitney and her grandmother spoil her, you spoil her, so she stays. So just tell her to wait till I come.
You not spoil her.
I
Her grandmother
mean-
not spoil her.
Anything she want, you give her.
No. Well, when anything you want me give me, but
Okay.
me not really spoil him.
Then if
But
she,
anyhow-
anything she want, she get a spoil that.
No. Remember say about the ideas the pitney they want all Burger King never open, but remember when me have all days now a bowl of butter me and you know when some pitney and box food me couldn't afford that, you know.
Or bread.
Eh? All Sunday they are chicken, but me yam for chicken, you know. A porridge me drinking at the week, you know.
say
So if they want to know, give them if you have it.
True.
I don't really spoil it still, but anyway, me I go get something game. You want nothing?
Just one juice.
So your sister I come.
Yeah, mama.
Where you have if you hold up your belly bottom? You want to go to doctor?
No, man, no, you know, say all the thing, just get one pain pill for me.
You know, so you come like a one night me cramp up, yeah?
Man, sure.
Jesus Christ. Lord God. Boy.
Just get one pain pill for me, yeah?
Alright. You sure no cramp up, yeah?
No, man, no.
Lord God, boy, me I tell you. Well, the boy,
You
I
don't
don't
like that,
easy.
man.
Ali.
Yes, Daddy.
Here we go on. You forget you something to eat. What you want to eat?
Franks and egg.
Franks and egg you want? And that you tell Ali? That you tell Ali you say you want?
No, I just make it up.
Aliyah, she make it up.
Mm-hmm.
So hold on there. Aliyah tell me say, look, girl, say you want macaroni and cheese. Alright, come on, baby. We are go downtown, right?
Yes, I got Burger King.
You know, say me feel like when me have money, me have to go rent out Burger King here by gear. Cause every time you hear about going downtown, yeah, me I got Burger King. You say you love burger? I hope you love daddy and mommy like how you love burger, you know. You love mommy and daddy like how you love burger. Who you love more? Burger? You see your face? Alright, come on. I got Burger King here. Get your slippers. You take your time here. Yeah. Hold on, baby. My job. Go on, me a forward. Yeah, hello? Auntie, I should never look on the phone, man. If you realize how you call me. Sorry about that, man. Yeah. So where you saw going with mommy now? Yeah, man. She a come on look a bit. Great news. Yeah, man. You know, so me feel like I just climb it and you just want to soon. Cause a long time you know soon you know, auntie. You know, alright, here what? Me I go bring, eh? No, man, me I come check on you, man. Come like you know me I go say. Me I come find a time and come go to a link here. Alright, auntie. Tell him some call him as me come from uptown. Yeah. Alright, love you. Tell him some I love him here. Yeah. Tell him say you love him. Tell grandma say you love him.
Love you, Grandma.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Send on the message here. Alright, bye. Yeah. Thank you, Father God. God is the greatest. You know me feel good. Jesus Christ. Mommy, come on. You know, so sometimes when you old people I go up in a age and then so them family, you know. Then get sick, make you look like a something to them. No, do them. At time they want to spend with them family. Alright, come on, my baby. Come on. Come. Baby can run, let me come. Mark, set, go! Why, win.
B, so how me they also sit down and just step on your phone, so. You just I give your phone more attention more than me. And me if you give all of them attention then, you know.
And for your phone? When you're depend for your phone and you hold up a message them come in for your TikTok and your WhatsApp and all over the place, you depend on phone and chat to all kind of people. Me a bother you?
But
you find time and realize say, me want time and you have to spend time with me too.
be relaxed and be tell us me subscribe to some people to YouTube channel. So in notification them I go always come in and no text me and get. Every time I subscribe, once them post, me go notified.
Watch your mouth. That's how you go. You see yourself? Look for yourself.
B, come on man and relax man.
Because you're not for me and touch me, brother. I don't want you to come friend me up because anytime you feel like you want your little sort out to think you can't come touch me up.
B, me tell B, just give me one chance. Please, just one chance. Because me tell her say, yeah, me used to do wrongs, but that back then.
Back then back when have then. Because I see something where you do all the time. From way back when you do again.
B, you actually know say me love you make you go and say no.
Shut up your mouth. Actually know say me love you make you do your foolishness them all the time. Because when you run come around here, you feel like me forgive you. Every time if you forgive you for the same foolishness them what you do.
B, you all do something last night where me not like. Me and sleep, you turn your back give me. There's something that disrespect.
So if me turn me back give you, you look you say you don't tell we asleep. But you can't tell me about disrespect.
B,
but you lazy. I don't want you to touch me. Not touch me when me asleep. Because I don't know good dealings with you. I don't have no good terms. If you asleep, you sleep. I don't want you to touch me.
So, you know me, woman?
Not touch me.
Calm down, B. That's what a way you're nice. I say you.
Can't tell me about no here nice.
So, what that for?
What I mean what that for? What about the girl where you turn up down the road that chat to for how long? What that did for?
Which girl that?
You see when you turn up down the road that chat to when me get phone calls say down, they turn up a chat to a kin off your teeth for how long?
So B, you don't know that the girl eh?
Me don't know nobody.
How you mean? That the girl that my friend did the back then and she tapped me and asked me when last me hear from my friend.
So how that have to do with you? How that concern you that she come see and tap your pan with that ask your boyfriend?
Cause she knows me and my friend was close. And we still close.
Mm-hmm. You're still close to everybody where you're always close to. When you see you? You see you? It's when you're done with dog, you catch flea. So I don't want you touch me because I don't want
no flea. So yeah, do call yourself dog?
I don't want no flea off of your palm me.
Yeah, call yourself dog.
That's why I don't want to sleep with you, I don't want you touch me. Go find something to do too, because I don't want no chatting with you.
Yeah, go on. Like you remember who me be. You forgot who me be? You want me pick up them the dirty style when me have back 1969? You don't want me go back there, so. But that cherish me.
Alia. Alia. Girl. Hey. Big girl, wake up. Or you can't sleep, so. Every minute you're tired. That's why I do I tired you, so. You love lay down too much, man.
Oh, go on.
Nothing.
I feel you lay down or I feel me lay down?
Nobody don't want to feel kind of lay down. You lay down too often.
You're lucky.
Anyway, what?
But then, I'm too in no mood, so I can go sleep.
Alia, what do you?
No do me, Chelsea.
Oh, I say I come spend a little time with you today, chat with you a little bit. Just left over my yard. I'm talking with Tibi, so I say I make a walk, I come check you. I not see a little girl, every time I come over here, I not see her.
Oh, you know, saying in Ghana shop with him father. Speaking of little girl, you know, see me out the door and come in and come catch mama well still with my phone. Open up my business. Me no want no open my phone because me a whole heap of sitting on my phone with enough to see. So me ask her what she do me film, but she want to watch YouTube. Me tell me phone from the man tell me to take up in book man. And then I come tell me about she hungry. Me tell her she have to wait till her father come in. Because me not look about nothing.
Wait there, Alia. I want a little pretty we are talking about, you know. Want a little girl. Where are the little pretty so far?
Me not deal with her nowhere. But you have to understand, say me have a whole heap of adult stuff in my phone, picking enough to see. So she not have my phone.
Alright, so how she get in your phone in the first place?
You know, say true, me phone open, because you know my boyfriend there, me there, me not have nothing to hide, so my phone open.
So how to be more responsible person? Lock your phone, you have one
If
little
she
minor
never
in
there,
there.
my phone would have to lock.
Well, now she there, so you're lucky. Lucky. Because if a YouTube a little pitney say she a watch, and a YouTube she a watch, you know, no personal sitting see up on your phone. You know, in a gallery or so.
Listen to me, Chelsea. Don't tell me how to run my show, yeah? And I'm papa, nor your mother buy this year, and me buy my phone.
You have sure? Which party show there?
Don't worry
You
yourself,
could have fooled me.
Don't worry yourself,
You know,
so
say you not like your little girl mother, but you don't need to use your little pitney fat, mother fat fry him. You don't need to do that.
And we need to not use it to be past for him. Because that's all you do. And to be not do nothing. She used to get about that, but then an interesting change your contact about boy I chat on phone 3 o'clock at night and notification. Suppose boy I subscribe to enough YouTube channel and so now wants notification from YouTube and TikTok and so on for coming.
Wait.
You're too insecure, man.
Well, on, you hear what you say? Suppose your nose was a poor soul.
Let me ask, let me tell you something.
Suppose.
Me sure know say you have a TikTok account, you have a YouTube account. Message notification coming upon your phone and Tibina jump down your neck back and say who that text you. You don't know.
Well on. So you're so personal about my relationship.
Because I come over here so personal in my business, I can't tell you about use frat fry.
I see. So wait, we are talking about one mine on your phone and you're going dig down in my business.
Then the because your business will still make you run come
Alright.
over here.
My business are your business and your business are my business. We are friends. But stop use the woman fat and fry a little pit.
And stop use Tibi pass and fry Tibi.
Me free do that. We can do that. We are talking about 2 adults. Me I talk to you because you're adult and we are talking about one minor.
Well, me don't like your mama already. So you go.
Okay, left it there so. No go no further. You don't need to go no further because psychologically I tell me something different. Me I come go over me. Because since me I tell you the truth and you don't want to hear the truth, me no need for there start talk to you.
Since me I tell you the truth and you don't want to hear the truth about your own relationship, me no need to talk to you neither.
Me no in that back and forth something with you today. Go on back, go lay down because you love lie down. Me I go on me yard. And you can build up yourself as much as you want. Me I are still friend. Remember say me that say something to you. Very important too.
I remember say me there say same thing to you. Loud
Okay, Alia, bye again.
I give you no bun, just.
Okay, Alia.
So in time we know how to do things, we don't accuse people.
Once bitten, twice shy.
Well, I can't stop my good puss off of me. I figure about like a girl so peaceful. You come back home, you can't come back feel like here.
Can't believe you eat half the whole of the burger.
Yeah.
You didn't even left none till later. Eh?
That's because
Puppy
I was
Dan.
hungry.
Yo, bro.
What go on?
Me a forward there.
Jaja youth. Why? Yeah, sweep up clean though.
Me a come. Me a come, babe. Me a come, man. Oh, man. I Sharon that and the one.
Come baby. You baby, come in.
No, man. When they do nothing, man, she just can't link me, you know.
Okay.
She just can't link me, man.
Say hi then.
Hello.
What's up?
Come on to the sun, come right here.
So now deal with it.
Me tell you man, you know so down on the block where I come from down at the burger. Why Burger King.
One thing in the easy, you know, you always a cheater that time, you know.
Yeah man, draw down the clothes.
So you get burger? So you do the kind of burger for your friend?
Pretty hungry, so I eat after whole late.
So next time you go give me burger. 2 burger you eat?
Yeah. 2 burger.
Oh, him know say eat 2 burger, baby. No, oh him know that. I know me tell him. You know now tell him. We eat 2 burger for children too.
You go give me one of them next time?
Yeah.
Actually,
Actually, burger me eat.
Jesus.
You eat half of the daddy one.
You know say me miss money out of my wallet. And me just realize that where the money go.
No, a Burger King.
Down at Burger King. Me lend me some money because I want to rent out at least Burger King for you. Alright, anyhow, I did my day still now. Yeah man, I just say me I give you some great news because you see what me?
Mommy.
Mommy, come on.
Oh, you mean, man?
God no.
Thank you, God, man. Believe me, man.
Auntie call me and tell me say, mommy, come on. Me answer your phone. Hello. Auntie say, how you chat to some boy? Put me in my place. So me I say, me have to look on your number. Me say, oh auntie. So me never see him. Me have to say, auntie, sorry, mommy, never look on your number. So he say, you have great news to me. He say, mommy, come on.
So how she go up there? Like she kind of better than when she did done yourself.
You know me I tell you, me feel like that.
What go on?
You know when some man have that one woman and the woman left him over 20 years. And no rain and falling in their life, they stress out. And you one time they get some rain falling in their life, they feel better. And that me feel like not that way, you know. Me feel like my mother just there. And you know when you watch one movie over and over.
You want to watch some different movie.
So him just want to go see him family.
Yeah, man, in tired of doing yourself, man.
He's stressed out.
Homesick.
Thank
homesick.
you. Homesick. How school you used to go? Mother watch that because you're smart. Homesick. Friend, you go up there and feel better.
So
right now, she don't want to come back.
Mr. say your face light up and now because you know say mommy good. And me feel better for now.
I know sir, she feel good too.
What you mean? Can you love your grandmother?
Love your grandmother. Come like you love your grandmother, you love your mother. I want to tell you that.
Can your grandmother grow him?
Yeah man, but I give me say just in a come give you some good news. So what go on you there now?
Boy, you know say I there do. Woman in there. Doesn't mean come, you know from when him a time me out.
So which one of them?
That I see him look one of me I tell you about, man. One little knife one them man where I feel man did a beat him other day.
Oh, when you back cock up so?
Yeah, him man did a beat him in the town other day, but him man left for now. But me and her talk for one good look while
now. Always a raise with Father God?
Yes.
When you walk, you walk so?
Yes, and hold up in head like you know nobody call to him, he not look for nobody.
Oh, you want to go like him better than people?
The same one
so
day.
what you do to win him?
Boy, I tell you say you know how long him a pill, man I tell me say I check me and I take my money until he finally reach you now.
You know say me small and my mother will send me to school for go study woman. My mother want waste money. You can't study woman. Because this minute this woman not like you and this minute you see you with one shoes and you like the shoes.
I score more and score a goal now.
You want to score a goal?
What you mean?
Jesus Christ.
Score more and score a goal. So I go on over top here there.
Why? Top? Which
Me
top
know
here?
Me know say me run the place now because I can't play football in my house. You know, what say you have? Look at that, you can't play
My
football.
daughter, me have focus on right now my relationship, you know, bro. I want to tell you, say, this time gone. Where bad girl will mash up everybody?
Melissa.
Like, Melissa gone. So you say only thing I go down a tax office go down now, because I go down there and you say computer now work good. Me just want to go license and ensure me one bear in life. So you alright. Any amount of corner league and football you want to play, you can't play. Me a one burner.
No,
you don't get it?
Long time.
Me coloring book a one burner. Me a one burner. Me proud of it.
But the whole place know enough.
Me a tell them again, me a go license insure down a tax office.
I know.
You know. But anyway, my friend, that or that.
Alright, that's
alright. Come on, my baby.
Me buy a burger for me, you know.
You know, say, friend, I'm a 3 burger. Friend, me not live up here, you know. Me not live up here because you weigh 10 pounds and me go live up with the burger at 50 pounds. You better walk. Come on. Eh?
Yo, now look
alright,
more, you know.
if you walk, me buy you 2 more burger. Oh, that sound. That sound good. Come on. Yes, come on. That's why I have love you, because you love burger more you love me. Come on, my job. Take your time. That. Come. My job, baby. Boy, babes, sun hot. That's why she sleep cute. Post that pan status later. Babes. Look like you're tired, man.
I tell some belly hot, me some I try sleepy off, man.
You and your sister reason. Wanna cut down? You and your sister, your energy and your sister have you cut down?
Yeah, man, so I get a little nap. It good, man, it good.
Good. Well, you know, so me just bring, to be honest, we reach down a Burger King. And to be honest, we never really plan to go down a Burger King, you know. We just plan to go down at the shop. But because down a Miss Alice shop full up, me just say I can't go buy a burger. But me I call your phone, look when you check your phone. Month miss call me, I call if you ask if you want burger, because you know you like burger.
But that's sleep, man. Look, it good still.
No, but listen, babes, listen. You are my queen, princess. If you need a burger, it's nothing to go back down there and get you a burger.
Alright, later you do that.
Later?
Yeah, you don't want it right now.
Well, babes, listen. Come here, baby. Come here. Good news is here.
What kind of good news?
Good news is here. Mommy feel better. Mommy feel better.
I lie.
I swear.
Your mother feel better?
Me not go say God know, because God know already. I swear him feel better.
So,
That's what, look how she happy.
So when the mother come down, no mother want to look fair and...
Look, girl, why me can't stress me out so? Eh?
And ensure that she alright and so... when she come down...
Well, me and her figure raise about that, because you see where mommy attack? Like, mommy no want to come back to Jamaica, you know? Because I come like a foreign in there and right up a country in there. You understand?
Make she come down, man. Make she come down, because I want to link her and make sure that she good like how she feel better, strong up.
But in a, yes.
Soup, go give her
but in a
so
meanwhile, you can make a reservation. You can call her, because I remember say you and him have a good relationship. You and him, I force me there with a woman and him have a good relationship.
Yeah, but you know me want to see your mother face to face.
Alright, let me tell you what I want now.
You can't send food through phone. I want to cook some chicken food soup, carrot game, man.
And you love the chicken food soup, let me know.
Say.
Especially one that take in a mess. And then the one then like.
I'm glad that you're alright, man.
In good, man.
Come here, Ali. Come here, baby.
What?
You know, Miss Grandma.
Hold on. Babes, I look at that, I'm look at princess. But daddy always tell you, when someone talking to you, don't shake your head, right?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, ask her about the question.
Miss Grandma, that's true.
Yes, Mommy.
So when Grandma come, you don't want to live back with her?
No. I live with Daddy.
You want to live with daddy? So you never tell me that, Jesus. You sure you want to live with daddy? You sure?
Yes, Daddy.
You know, say you come like say, I got it. Lick me in my head and tell me so we build one extra room. Me never know that, you know. Eh? You know that? So she want to live with me?
No, me just know the well.
So you tell her? Me never know. Oh, God. So when you go tell grandma, say no? All your mother. All you can go spend holiday with your mother, you know. And you can go spend holiday with grandma, because grandma grow, you know. And grandma start put on the pampers and the nappy, you know. All you don't know about nappy, you know about pampers. Oh, God, give me a hug. But anyhow, me glad, hold me hand. Me glad for know say you want to live with we. You see me? You want to live with Alia, right, baby? Yeah, man. And she want to live with we, you know. Oh, God, that's nice, baby.
Very nice.
That is so
very
beautiful.
Nice.
Hey, you know, say family is the most important thing in our life. Family is so important. Family come like prayer, grace, understanding. Oh, God, me love you, yeah? Yeah. That can serve you?
Yeah, man. Yeah,
No,
man.
you deserve more. Come here. Love you, yeah? I love you too, yeah?
Babe, you know what I like? I like how you understand me and find out, say, where did I think of me? And I saw you go. Even though you have a clue or idea, but I saw you
Which
go.
clue and which idea? What is that easy?
So be, how you mean?
Go clue and idea.
Yo, B,
I know you don't
Glad.
give you for a long time, brother, so I just never want to give in to nothing what you say. Because I know how you used to go on with yourself.
B, come see, man. That's a normal prayer. I'm glad how I try to work back with you and we good. And no, nothing spoil this time, you know. Nothing spoil with this time. Nothing at all, B.
You work hard, you know. You want to see your work.
B,
You want to see your work.
you know easy, you know, but B, you know what I did a plan? We have planned to go to our hotel. Booking our hotel. Which hotel you want to book, you know?
I don't know. That sounds romantic. Me like that.
You want to go Rio?
Can't go away for 1 weekend.
That weekend or 1 month we are go over Rio go spend. B.
1 whole month?
1 whole month.
What we are going to do so?
B, me a cheat you.
You have, your plan one itinerary. We have scheduled days to do schedule things. So if you say 1 month, that means you have 30 or 31 days worth of fun.
Yeah, more cheat you.
Ow.
More go over there, just chill out at the poolside and you know have fun and just give place a break because maybe this a place not healthy for you.
I mean, this a place healthy. Are we home?
This a place I make it cover there.
Alright, so you tell me I talk about hotel when you say you buy one new house. Since the house is the problem, we just go out and have a little fun to be.
Buy
1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, it don't matter. We go out, go have fun.
Yeah.
Give me a break.
2 weeks.
Yeah, me already.
So go do that?
Yes. Because I get homesick. I can't do 1 whole month. After I left the country.
Baby, I love you still, you know?
Watch your mouth. So you say. I love you too.
You thought run them the serious throat there with me because I kind of have high blood pressure. I'm sick with my heart.
Who tell us your pressure high? I turn doctor overnight, I don't know.
You know, easy, you know, but B, I'm sorry for you cheat a certain way back then. I know because them time I was a boy. Now I'm a man. Me get, bro, B, I'm confused because when me really say I want good man, you know, deserve them the treatment there. And me just wild, just a run up and done. But me did change one night time in the last half too, but me did tell you never believe me.
You take long to figure it out though, TV. Me almost gone and you almost losing. This close and would have gone. When I say me not even sleep with your night time and business where you want to, brother, I did just give up on you.
I'm glad we get close again.
You're okay out, man. You're going with yourself. You have to give your props to that.
You want to go real today, Ara?
Today you want to go so quick, then you plan this without me?
What do you mean, B? Come
Why
on.
you plan sit without me?
Surprise,
you never know say today
B.
we have planned to go nowhere.
It was a surprise.
Oh.
You want to go or you want to stay?
I want to go. You're going to get up and go
pack your things.
Want a little suitcase.
Sun kind of hot, so put on this.
I don't put on nothing. I want to go pack a suitcase. Go feel a little one for me in my closet. A little neat one.
Alright.
So
you go for me. I wipe for your slippers.
I want a too big. I don't want a big one.
Daddy, can I come, please?
Where?
To Grandma.
You want to come at Grandma? Alright, listen. I know you want to see Grandma, right?
Yes,
and I think Grandma want to see you, right?
Yes,
well, listen. We know you understand what Daddy gonna say right now. You remember this storm that come over there?
Yes,
Melissa?
Yes,
yeah, Melissa blow down a lot of things. Tree, current wire. You see me? In the road all about. So the drive is kind of hectic right now. Drive hard to get. So you see the distance when I go look for Grandma?
Yes,
I don't want to bring you. Because I don't want nothing to do. I don't want late to catch you on the road. So I tell you what. I promise you. Come give me a finger. Do you promise? I promise you, right? So Grandma gonna come look for you. If not, I'm gonna shut our car. Me, you, and my baby over there. Gonna go to look for Grandma. But right now, can I take you right now, right? Alright, me out. Alright. Babes, how me look?
You look alright, man.
I promise you, you buy me, you know, so me living at it. Me say, I'll sleep in it, you know.
Good to do.
God know, and this is a shirt. This is a shirt.
You love a kerchief around the neck, yeah, man.
Yes.
How you hide?
Me not hide nothing, babes. Jesus Christ. Babes, why make you always put the cologne, the air freshener side of the cologne?
See cologne over there, so they're different.
But me see it, babe, too.
See
Jesus Christ. I me nervous, you know. Me go look for my mother. All you catch bad mind and corrupt, eh? Jesus Christ. But anyway, I have to go here now, here.
Yeah, man. So me I tell her say, baby, want to see grandmother. Can you go see grandmother, man?
Babe, listen, man. Just like how Ali understand. Understand, I know you want to go look for him, but the place kind of hectic right now after his time, you know. Me must say, maybe all night me forward black. I don't want nothing to her. And she want to stay with you no matter. Because she like you and you like her.
Yeah, me love her.
Yeah, man, no make that do nothing, man. You understand? I bring her mommy, you know. You can take one picture, man. Oh, God, man. Make you can post it on... What's the name again? What? No post it on TikTok. No TikTok of woman. Post it on YouTube. Instagram of woman or man.
It no matter.
Alright, do it. Yeah. You take care already?
One shot.
Do one next one. Wait. Oh, man, how gangster them. How can you do it again? No, 9 years for that. Yeah. That me a talk about, you know. Yo, look at my baby here. Love on the here.
Yeah. Hold on.
Oh.
Yeah, left nothing here.
Hey, me love here, you know. Me love here come like a prime minister. Where prime minister name again? The big nose man, where name?
And the wrong prime minister that come, you don't know him.
You don't know him? Alright, anyway, now watch that. Alright. Come here, baby. Saving pan. What you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. And if you want to have burger or anything, but remember, she's gonna look for something for you, right? And be nice right now, okay? Anything she say, you do. So you guys just enjoy each other company till that is come back, right? Okay. Later. Alright, yeah. Come here. Give grandma. You want that for who? That for grandma, not you. You're smart. Make sense you got a good school. Babes, love you here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Which part of money I could have got you?
Puppy.
Yo, father.
I want you. Where you look about?
Brother, me tell you right now, dog.
Our 4 year and you look for them.
What kind of fall here?
So what?
50,000 I can't find you.
50,000 you can't find. What do you mean you can't find 50,000? People not last money on them time.
Watch on, man. So you try to tell me, say?
Me not say nothing. Me just say people not last money on them time.
Brother, right now, me tell you, say, I left me 50,000 in my house. I'm a good on the road a while ago, say, yo, I go get something for try cook. I'm a good on there. I pay a breast instead of over the meat shop. I'm in a eat breast. And I say, I come back up here, so. And when I come back, I can't find me 50,000. But you know what me feel, say, youth? You see the same girl that you come over here, come see in her house that day.
Hold on. Slow down, you move too fast. Turn on the TV, pause. Puppy, me never see him, you know. And you tell me say in there, you know.
The same one where you come over here, I tell her say she in her house.
Okay, no, you're talking.
The same day she a go. I go in her cutter, I go some wheel off 120 pack gear. And she alone know where cutter there. And then see the number 50,000. God, you.
Hold on, man. How much money you say wheel off, give Puppy Dan?
20,000, you.
20,000. But I buy girl man a style, man.
No, I don't buy her you. I just carry money, woman, to get things. But he take more than what we get.
So you want to say him take it?
Then I watch she alone know where cutter the youth.
Come on, Puppy, man, you're a girl, man. You can't make anybody hear your ball. So
I'm $50,000 what I'm going to do.
So you say him take it?
I won't give me go, girl.
Oh, you want to Puppy? Listen to me, I say, no, man. Hold on, turn up, man. You're a man, turn up. You say you're a girl. You can't blame that girl, eh? Remember, saw one bag of girl okay in her house, you know.
But the rest of them, I know where cutter there.
But you can't say that because woman like search up us. So you may be a priest. That a girl, I want to check levels. That a girl. You understand what I say?
I won't leave them even know what we
I may tell them not worry about that, man. Maybe all in your house now, show you all a girl.
You buy new clothes?
No, bro. That's something I buy for my mother. My mother feel better. I go check him right now. I just link me say me I can't link you, but boy, me know say it's a face and me I can't say.
I see same thing.
Puppy easy no man.
I give her $2,000 if you go up if you give your mother and then take you 50,000. I can't give her no youth.
Puppy. A boss me I take you no, me no buy no carrot, you know. You can't give me my stress if you keep on boss the people go see me, you know. You ugly. And me ugly. Two of we have to look pan. Yeah, man, look better, man. Turn up, man. Because right now, sometimes I'll go out and run and people and say, yo, me look good, but when you come.
Worry yourself, man. You see me? Worry yourself. You feel like my 50,000 I go, sir? Eh?
You're not sure for him. And that's how girl's thing go. Sometimes you have to throw the one burner life.
Right,
That means if you put money in and you have one burner, you know how to take it.
Nah, listen
But
yes,
anyhow,
bro.
Puppy Dan, look on the dresser me buy. Hold on, your beard?
Me beard,
Oh,
bro.
yeah, you look on them. And my mother, me buy them for you.
They look beautiful.
Oh, God, man.
They look beautiful.
So me I go check him up a country. Me look at that and he want come. But me can't bring her. Cause through this storm them and the current where I drop down, me no want night catch you. Cause you know your bus ain't hard to get.
So yo, last night or the night before, you did send me a message and say, yo, me fi give you a link on your block. You want to reason about me. Now, how I go on?
On a big woman level, Puppy Dan, in a real life, big woman level. And big man level too. Cause you're a big man and you're a big woman.
True.
You know what say? You know, me never tell my wife that Alia. Me never tell him say my daughter come live with us. Because it happens so fast.
Yeah, me
it
remember you
happens
tell
fast
me.
and Bolt. You know Bolt we run? Bolt we run, man.
Yeah, man, you see him Bolt, right? Then the
like
thief
the
him money, like how them
situation
thief
happen
him
so
money.
fast. I remember saying mother now, not really settle long yet, you know. His mother come like a roaming. Did you sell? You know, did you sell?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, his mother come like did you sell and lime. But did you sell a drop? So a
Yeah.
lime I run the thing, you know.
Flow
So his
run the
mother
thing,
no
you know.
settle. His mother run up and down with man. Cause you know them kind of young. But in doing thing. So, me can go put my daughter to live with his mother will run up and down. Cause his daughter go run up and down.
I
And grow up
know.
in this- I know. So when me say now, through my mother sick now, I send him up my auntie. Up my sister or my auntie.
your auntie.
So me decide to bring down my daughter cause me have a good woman in my life. So me have feel say, although me never tell her right away, but me I can't tell her.
Say she would
She
have
won't have no
pleased with that.
problem.
True.
But she come. No, my apology. Me forward go link my woman, me and my daughter. Hug up on the energy, but
Meet and greet.
why do me I talk to her? I tell her say the youth I go stay. And he come like a lucky thing, say me I build up the house and the room for him. But the time if I turn on my face and turn back my face, you know when somebody I give you a plastic smile, you know?
So it's like she not happy for your daughter, did it?
I think, but listen, I don't like to be judged without receipt.
True, you know, and
Because them
judge
say you're
wrongfully.
guilty till proven innocent. So me just a think, but me no want think. So that's what me a think. But although me think so sometime, but me no want think. So that me a think, but me a think. So me no have my right still. Me no like a face when give me. And then you know, me leave what you know. And then my daughter, me follow, but my daughter saying hungry. So me say you never tell a stepmother. He
So what
saying
she
tell
say?
him. He saying tell him.
So what your stepmother do?
Stepmother say, why the little girl want never in the house? And everything in the house. The only thing when you're in the house is Satan. God in the house, the disciple in the house, the angel, everybody in the house.
So what you think?
Well, me go link him as a man. You know, I'm go link my woman. Cause a family me say.
True.
Yeah. So when me go link him, you know, he must say, nothing never in the house the baby want. But when me go link back the baby now, the baby has a different thing. Cause he must say the baby want macaroni and cheese. And the baby say he want franks and egg. So me I said,
A two different
A two
stories.
different
So
story.
who a tell a lie?
me no want say my daughter tell lie,
And you
which
no
me
want
know
say-
my daughter not tell no
I
lie.
don't want to say your woman a tell a lie, which she know she not tell a
So
lie.
me say, that's sure that. But all of a sudden, you know, I realize say me are going on, she a try push that upon me if I go back to live with the mother. That is my mother.
So
And
wonder
the
if-
woman even get better good yet.
So wonder if she no want your daughter to
And
do
that
it.
me I think
Or
about.
maybe through your daughter did and it a black fear.
And
Revenue to she forget a night time.
No, who does that? Remember saying you look up in Ghana school, you know.
Oh. Yeah, quickie.
I
Yeah,
saw me
quickie.
jo-
Yeah, man.
Sometimes I quickly have to run.
True.
I saw me run up and down in and
Yeah,
I saw me run up and down in when you pick in Ghana school. And sometimes before you come back from school.
I say you over there going.
Yes, so you can't say that. Me just a think say, he just not want the child around us. And that me a think, you know. But me don't know if me think that, you know. But me a think it. Although me not think it.
Watch and see first.
What you think?
Watch and see first. Me not think if you think that.
You're
Watch and
smart.
see
You're
first.
smart. You're
Because by
smart.
an idea, your woman a want good woman.
I know.
So me no feel like say she would have did it. And by an idea, your daughter is not a liar.
Who does that?
No one.
That.
Yo. The safe journey upon the gravel.
Yeah, man.
you see
Thank
me?
you, man.
If you see a girl down the road, when me a think say she take my money, although me no want to think say she
Yes,
take my
but
money.
you think, but
Just
you not
call
think.
me.
Just call you.
Call me, please.
All right. One more thing. That here.
That.
Man, big up. Call if me see him.
Yeah, if you see her, just call
The
me.
one we always a walk and a pray, hold up in your so.
She see him.
All right, respect.
She
Look at me,
see
my
him.
brother, here.
Yeah, man.
Respect, here.
All right.
All right, that.
You know, so me I want to eat that though. Me they a ball over 50,000. I am a man. Must act like a man. Girl.
Look, girl, get up and come here. Me I know your father left money give you for like I can spend money. Give me your money. Go and sit down over there for your phone too. Come on, left money. Look, what me tell us if you do? Come here. Turn on that. Tell her pick up on the phone. Give me your phone. Come here, to move. Look a girl. Me not tell us if you tell her father say you want to go live with your granny. Stupid pitney, you idiot. Go over there so sit down, man. You not get back your phone for your rest idea. Fool like. What's the piece of me I don't pick the way enough to time. More of me no want none for myself. Your father might take care of your mama. Father, you come here. Me can't have no time with me, man. No. We not go out again. We not play. We not do no ramping shop. No time in the bedroom. See my bill. Also, my talk about Ali. Everything Ali. So to me. Me no want house too. Come like I just come here to make my life miserable, man. Me did good enough. And I say me hate you. But why? You come like free man and not for me man again. I am mama well cock up there free. I run up on over a whole community over a whole world away want to do. Me sure no me tell the other day say look a girl. Who tell her father say you want to go live with your grandmother. You come and talk about you want to live with father. Live with father in a one room. You think me tell her sleep with you now? Who want to sleep with me man? Nah, no little time, no little peace in
Ali! Alia. What going, baby? What, baby? Why you crying?
They treat me rough.
Alia treat her rough? Alright, I'm sorry about that, yeah? Sorry about that, daddy, sorry. Alright, go and go sit down. Alia. You know, say sometime in a life, when you have 2 or 3 or 4 persons you love in a life or in a one relationship or in a one box or in a one yard, and one of the persons you love tell you a story, a situation, so the next person ill treat him.
What you talk about?
That's a story me I say.
Oh.
It's hard for you to believe when you know so that person is not that type of person. And it's hard for you to believe the person who I tell you because you know him is not a liar. So the story I tell you a story about me, you, and Ali.
Me?
You know, so other day, my daughter tell me say, him ask if you look about something to eat, or you don't look about nothing to give him.
Because me tell her why my belly they pain me and what she did want never they hear.
Yeah, but also, when me ask her, him tell me say he want egg, franks, and all of them things in the fridge, and you tell me say he want macaroni and cheese.
And that you say the girl I tell lie. Yeah. Macaroni and cheese she tell me say she want.
I understand say she tell lie, but you see sometime in her life when you get receipt. You know, say from what I think about it. I say I have a good man in my life. My daughter, my mother. From my mother get better and everything, I just say, yo, feel like I propose to you.
So you have set up a daughter?
Get all the ring. Engage her. But I just realize it's just a waste of time. Because you see the person when I go engage, I just stand up right here side the back now and hear you deal with my daughter away.
Me?
From she come here, me not spend no time with you. You want house or you alone want house? Me not come on, so you deal with my child, my daughter.
I don't want game with you play. Don't want game with you play, Ali.
Please.
Say, I want game with you play, babe.
Babes, please, me lose half for you. From what you may think the whole situation, when me talk to you right just so with mommy. Me catch you like me catch you pre like your mind not there and be time if you look around back you give me plastic smile. All me I think me never want to think that, but now me get the whole receipt, the whole exhibit 1. So you don't like my daughter.
Of course me love it. You know me love your daughter.
Ali, come on baby.
Where you go? go?
Come.
Coloring book, where you go?
Let me tell you something. You see the ring when I buy it. If you want to keep it, you can keep it. If you want to dash it away, because I buy it an idea. You don't deserve it. You see me? Me want to live like a family, but you not going to work again. There is no way you cannot treat my daughter like that.
Coloring book, but tell us a game with you.
No, that is me. Come on, don't take me for a fool. I'm not a child.
But me love you.
You love me, but you don't love my daughter. And
Of course, me love your daughter.
Listen, if I'm your daughter or your son, I won't deal with her like that. I won't treat her that way. That is not appropriate. That is not the way you be a stepmother or a mother-in-law. You're wrong, and I can't forgive you for that. Me did something here, you tell my daughter all these type of things. Let me tell you something.
I drop me there run.
You see us, you can take a week or 2 days, but make sure when I come back, me and my daughter and my mother, you leave. You see me? I'm glad to say you deal with my daughter, so. Because I realize you don't care about us. Have a good day. Come on, baby.
No, coloring book, just what?
Go on. Take your time. You want the house by yourself? You can't keep it house. Make sure when I come back, you leave. Go on. Take your time, baby.
Coloring book, me sorry.
Take your time, baby. Take your time.
My mother always tell me, if I want to come here, I love it careful.
Yes, my fans, my beautiful fans. You wanna man, wanna make it to the end of this movie, Sneaking Stepmother and Coloring Book TV. Remember, just big up Puppet and one more thing. You may talk. No man. You, yeah. And you make it possible. You see, you and your friends them, your family, your cousin, your sister, the whole of the fans them, and who make it possible. And who know like, share, comment, and subscribe, where we can push out more movie. So here we go. Big up yourself. And when your mother and your father call her, just tell them, say, me and Puppet and say, big up One Coloring Book TV, and big up my fans them. Room.